8 minus 8 equals 0, and again 8 minus 8 equals 0, and 0 times 0 equals 0. But this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the order of operations, which is called PEMDAS. Look, PEMDAS is just a simple trick to remember the order of operations in math, from first to last. First, P is for parentheses, so you always clear those out first. Next is E for exponents, like powers and roots. Then you have M and D for multiplication and division. These two are on the same level, so you just solve whichever one comes first from left to right. Finally, you get A and S for addition and subtraction, which work the exact same way, you just finish them up from left to right. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve what's inside the parentheses. So 8 minus 8 equals 0, and the expression becomes 8 minus 8 times 0. Again, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so 8 times 0 equals 0, and finally 8 minus 0 equals 8. Now it's your turn. Tell us the answer in the comments. If you like this type of challenge, subscribe to the channel and like the video.